এই যে শুরু টাইম
শুরু করুন। How are you, my dear student? Fine, thank you. I am also fine. Are you keeping with your studies regularly? Time is very fast. Time goes very fast. So you have to keep pace with your studies regularly. Never disconnect with your studies. The time is very crucial. So we have to follow the rules of cleanliness. Don't be panic. Be cautious about coronavirus. Let us go back to our lesson. Our today's lesson is tag question. Look at the blackboard. There are 3 sentences written on the blackboard. They are: knowledge is power. Hassan reads in class 8. Karim was absent. Knowledge is power. একটা কমা চিহ্ন আছে, তারপরে লেখা আছে isn't it. Hassan reads in class 8. Doesn't he? Karim was absent. Wasn't he? To know what is this? Okay, this is called tag question. This is called tag question. So our today's lesson is adding tag question. Adding tag question. Do you know what is tag question? Listen to me. Tag question is to justify the statement of the speaker. There, add a question at the end of the sentence. This is called tag question. To do tag question, we have to know some rules. The main rules is, if the sentence is affirmative, the tag question will be negative. And if the sentence is negative, the tag question will be affirmative. Do you understand me? Okay. Look at the blackboard and notice these sentences. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. This is an affirmative sentence. So, isn't it? It is negative question. Hassan reads in class 8. Doesn't he? This is an affirmative question and it is an negative question. Karim was absent. This is an affirmative sentence and the question is negative. So, you have to be clear that if the sentence is affirmative, the tag question must be negative. And if the sentence is negative, the tag question must be affirmative. Please look at the blackboard. Please look at the sentences. We are not unhappy. This is a negative sentence. Are we? This is an affirmative question. Mina picked a mango. This is an affirmative sentence. Didn't she? This is a negative question. Bangladesh is a small country. Isn't she? This is an affirmative sentence and the question is negative. So, the main rules of passage tag question is if the sentence is affirmative, the tag question will be negative, and if the sentence is negative, the tag question will be affirmative. Dear student, when you do a tag question, we have to find out whether there is an auxiliary verb or not. If there is an auxiliary verb, the tag question will be with the use of this auxiliary verb. And if there is no auxiliary verb, the tag question will be with do, does, did. According to tense and number and person. According to tense, number and person, do, does, did. If there is no auxiliary verb, then we have to use do, does or did. It depends on the number and person and tense. And if there is auxiliary verb, we have to make the tag question with that auxiliary verb. Like am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, can, could, may, might, should, would, etc. So, when you add that question, you have to find out if there is any auxiliary verb. If there is an auxiliary verb, you have to make that question with this auxiliary verb. He has made a mistake. He has made a mistake. Here has is an auxiliary verb. So you have to make this tag question with this auxiliary verb as it is an affirmative sentence. So it will be negative tag question. Hasn't he? We try hard to solve the problem. Look at the blackboard. Notice that there is no auxiliary verb. So we have to use do, does, did. According to tense, as it is present indefinite tense, so that question will be don't, would, as it is an affirmative sentence. So the tag question will be don't we. If the sentence is negative, the tag question will be affirmative. He does not try to do it. As it is negative, so the tag question will be affirmative. Does he? He does not try to do it. The tag question will be does he? We are not unhappy here, as it is a negative sentence and there is the verb, auxiliary verb are, so the tag question will be are we. This is the main rules of tag question. Dear students, tag question means adding a question at the end of the sentence. Adding a question at the end of a sentence. So, you must add the tag question after the sentence, not before the sentence. You have to add the tag question after the given sentence. There are so many rules for adding tag question, such as if the subject is everybody oblique nobody, the pronoun must be they. If the subject is everybody oblique nobody, the pronoun must be they. Like everybody likes flower. Everybody likes flower. Notice this sentence. It is present indefinite, but the pronoun will be they, must be they. The pronoun must be they. If the subject is everybody, the pronoun must be they. So the tag question must be plural. Tag question must be plural. Don't they. Don't they. Everybody subject. So pronoun they. They is plural number. So don't. Doesn't have কোনো সুযোগ এখানে নেই, যেহেতু pronoun এখানে they plural number. So don't. Tag question এ অবশ্যই don't ব্যবহার করতে হবে. If the sentence is negative, if the sentence is negative, nobody hates a truthful boy. Nobody hates a truthful boy. Here nobody subject. So pronoun must be they. They. As it is negative, so that question will be affirmative. Do they? Do they? Everybody hates a truthful boy. As it is negative sentence, so that question is affirmative. Nobody, everybody, everyone, nobody, no one. The pronoun must be they, so that question is do they. Dear student, there are so many parameters to do the tag question. Like if the negative sentence is am not, that question short form should be used ain't, oblique, aren't, are not, aren't, is not, isn't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't. Shall not, shan't, will not, won't, cannot, can't. So when we do that question, we have to use this kind of short form of negative verb. Short form of negative verb we have to use when we do that question. Like this, birds can fly. Birds can fly. That question will be can they? Can they? I am a student. I am a student. I am a negative form. I am not. When we do that question, we have to use ain't I. Ain't I. We have to use ain't I. Dear student, there are also many other sentences like imperative sentence. When we make a tag question, with an imperative sentence, we have to follow these rules. If the sentence is imperative, we have to use will you. If the sentence is imperative, we have to use will you. Go home. This is an imperative sentence. So when we do that question, we have to use will you. If the imperative sentence begins with let, if the imperative sentence begins with let, the tag question will be that question will be will you. Let me do the work. Let me do the work. This is an imperative sentence and it is used with let. So that question will be will you. But if the imperative sentence begins with let us, if the sentence begins with let us, then we have to use another rules. Let us solve the problem. This is an imperative sentence and it is used with let us. Then the tag question will be shall we. Shall we. If the imperative sentence begins with let us, the tag question will be shall we. And if the sentence begins with only let, the tag question will be will you. Dear student, if we memorize from the very beginning, we can see if the sentence is affirmative, the tag question will be negative. If the sentence is negative, the tag question will be affirmative. If the sentence is formed with auxiliary verb, the tag question will be made using these auxiliary verbs. Like Mina was a student. Can you say what is the tag question of this sentence? Yes. Wasn't she? Thank you. If the sentence is negative, the tag question will be affirmative. Can any student say what will be the tag question of this sentence? Yes, thank you. Can he? Can he? If the sentence is formed with only main verb, principal verb, then tag question will be using do oblique does, oblique did. Rina reads in class 9. This is an affirmative sentence. So, the back question will be negative. There is no auxiliary verb. So, we have to use do, does, did. As there is s at the end of the verb, so that question will be doesn't. Doesn't she? If the sentence begins with if the subject is noun, when we do tag question, the noun will be pronoun. If the subject is noun, when we do tag question, the subject must be pronoun. As Rina is a noun, she is the pronoun of Rina. If the sentence is imperative, the tag question will be if the sentence is imperative, the tag question will be with you. Do you understand? Okay. Dear student, you have to make 10 sentences. You have to make 10 sentences adding tag question. I hope if you practice this, it will be clear to you. Okay? Thank you. See you again.